Hello everyone. Today is August 17th, 2024, the Saturday, and welcome to Unday Radar Talks. AST SpaceMobile shares fell 1% on Friday, with a turnover rate of 50.16% on a volume of 68.77 million shares, both slightly lower than the previous trading day, reflecting that the stock's upward momentum has weakened and bottom profit-taking has begun to sell off, thus suppressing further gains in the stock price. The stock closed more than 1,400% higher on Friday from its lowest price of $1.97 in April this year. In August, the stock soared 50% again, so how much room is there for the stock to rise? Is it time to leave now? In its recent 10Q filing, the company reported operating cash flow of negative $64.3 million so far this year, capital expenditures of $61.8 million, and free cash flow of negative $126.1 million. But Wednesday's update said, "We have incurred approximately $347.5 million in total capitalized property and equipment costs in the first half of this year," which seems to mean that cash consumption is much faster. Meanwhile, building the entire fleet of 168 communications satellites is still expected to cost the company $5 billion in cash. This rate of cash burn may make it difficult to say that its stock is worth buying. Technical level. In early August, the stock price stood firm at $21 and accumulated a large number of transactions, which was in preparation for the subsequent surge in the stock price. After the close of Friday, the stock accumulated a large number of transactions between $29.50 and $33.30, which is at a relatively high level of its stock price in the past 2 days, so it is easy to wonder whether a large amount of capital has been cashed out. Based on the performance of its stock price on Friday, it is likely to be the case. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. From August 9th to August 14th, the stock price entered a short correction phase after hitting a recent high, and its capital continued to flow out because the stock price has risen a lot since May, and it is normal for some capital to flow out of the market, but its stock price did not fall further, and the bullish force in the market still maintained the stock price at $21. On August 15th, the stock price soared while its capital net inflow was $111.4 million. Yes, this may be a reverse outflow of capital, which is consistent with its trading volume. The next day, the capital net inflow was $47 million again, but the stock price fell, which may be a signal that the stock price is about to reverse. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that after the close of August 16th, its stock price accumulated a large number of positions between $29.50 and $33.30, but the position of $21 was much less than before. This large transfer of positions means that big funds may have completed high cashing out. Of course, this does not mean that the stock price will fall sharply immediately, because the force that continues to drive the stock price up is unlikely to completely exit the market. So even if the stock price falls or pulls back, it should be slow. But at the same time, I think there is not much room for the stock to continue to rise, and it is not expected to break through the high of $36.80. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. As analyzed above, I seem to see a signal of a stock price reversal, but I currently regard it as a stock price correction rather than entering a downtrend, so I set the target price at $25. The stock has accumulated a lot of bullish power in the past 3 months, so when the stock price falls, it should find support easily. Although my target price is $25, it may also find support between $21 and $25. According to the 4 Wall Street analysts who rated AST SpaceMobile stock in the past 12 months, the consensus rating of the stock is buy. Among the 4 analysts, 4 gave ASTS a buy rating. The average target price of AST SpaceMobile stock in the next 12 months given by the 4 analysts is $25.75, which is expected to fall by 17.02% from the current price of $31.03. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for AST SpaceMobile stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.